FeetFinder has more than 1 million active users in 2025, which means there's a lot of competition out there. And one of the easiest ways to stand out is by choosing the perfect username. Your username is the very first impression that buyers see. So let's talk about why it matters and some of the best FeetFinder username ideas for 2025. Think of your FeetFinder username as your digital billboard on a busy highway. With thousands of profiles zipping past your name, someone has to slam on the brakes and click. A great username does 3 things. It sticks in people's minds like a catchy jingle, it shows buyers you're the real deal, and it keeps your personal identity safe behind the curtain wall. In 2025, when the competition is tougher than ever, your username isn't just a label, it's your secret weapon for getting noticed. Here are the 5 reasons a strong username is so powerful. Easy to remember and share, keeps your real identity private, expresses your style or niche, makes you look serious and trustworthy, helps you connect and network with the right buyers. Now let's get into some actual FeetFinder username ideas for 2025. We've split them into categories so you can find one that fits your vibe. Sexy, sensual souls, velvet feet, temptation trail, cute, tiny toesy, snuggle buddy feet, sugar cookie feet, unique, soul sculptor. Ooh, I like that. Neon footprints, foot mystique for women, glamour toes. Ooh, elegant arches, sparkling steps. Okay, for men, rugged feet, soul survivor. Ooh, I like that. Sneaker sensation. Just remember, once you pick toe Tinkerbell, you're living with it forever. Here are some tips when you're brainstorming. Keep it simple. The simpler the better, so the buyer can remember it. Relate it to your niche, your style, whether that's heels, socks, or tickling. Skip the random numbers and symbols. Keep it respectful and professional. Let your username tell a story about your style. That's it. Your username is your digital signature, and these FeetFinder username ideas for 2025 can help you stand out in this growing community. So drop your favorite username idea in the comments, hit like if this gave you inspiration, and keep watching for more tutorials that will help you grow in this community.